In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download IMO on iPhone. If you want to install IMO so you can start chatting and making video calls, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for on your screen and what to do next. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. This is the official place to download apps on iOS. So using the App Store helps make sure you're getting the correct and secure version of the app. Once the App Store is open, tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the search page where you can look up any app you want to install. In the search bar at the top, type IMO. As the results appear, look carefully for the official app called IMO by imo.im. It's important to choose the official listing so you install the real app and not something similar looking. When you find it, tap Get or tap the download icon if you've installed it before. At this point, your iPhone may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This is a normal security check from Apple, and it helps prevent accidental or unauthorized downloads. After you confirm, wait a moment while the app downloads and installs. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and device performance, but in most cases, it should be fairly quick. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. After installing, open IMO if it doesn't open automatically. The app will then ask you to enter your phone number. Make sure you type it in correctly, since this number will be used to verify your account. After that, you'll receive an SMS code. Enter the verification code when prompted to confirm your number and complete the setup process. Once verification is finished, you'll be ready to start messaging and calling through IMO. If you want the app to work smoothly, it's also a good idea to make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, since messaging and especially video calls depend on good connectivity. And that's it. That's how to download IMO on iPhone, install it properly, verify your account, and start using it for chats and calls.